Why is my Oppo Reno 5G not charging fast? Oppo has always been known for bringing advanced features and powerful specifications in their flagship smartphones. One of these features is fast charging, which allows users to recharge their devices quickly and efficiently. The Reno 5G, Oppo's one of the flagship smartphone, is expected to be equipped with this feature. One of the most significant features of the Oppo Reno 5G is its fast charging capabilities. However, if your device is not charging fast, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. There can be several reasons why your Oppo Reno 5G is not charging fast. In this article, we are going to discuss some of the common issues and their solutions. One, USB cable. The first thing to check when your Oppo Reno 5G is not charging fast is the USB cable. A damaged or low-quality USB cable can cause slow charging or even fail to charge your device. It is recommended that you use the original Oppo USB cable that came with your device. If you are not using the original USB cable, try using a high-quality cable and see if that helps. Two, power adapter. Another reason why your Oppo Reno 5G is not charging fast could be the power adapter. Some power adapters do not support fast charging, or they may only support it for specific devices. Check the output of the power adapter and ensure that it meets the requirements for fast charging. If your power adapter is not working correctly, try using a different power adapter. Three, background apps. Background apps can also cause slow charging. Some apps run in the background and consume a lot of battery power, which can reduce the charging speed. To fix this, make sure to close all background apps before charging your device. Four, battery health. The battery health of your Oppo Reno 5G can also affect its charging speed. If your battery is old or damaged, it will not hold a charge efficiently, resulting in slow charging. To check the battery health of your device, go to Settings greater than Battery to Battery Health. If the battery is in good condition, it will charge fast. Overheating. If your Oppo Reno 5G is overheating, it can also cause slow charging. When the device gets too hot, it automatically reduces the charging speed to prevent further heat buildup. Try to charge your device in a cooler area or remove the case to help dissipate heat. In conclusion, there can be several reasons why your Oppo Reno 5G is not charging fast. Make sure to check the USB cable, power adapter, and background apps before jumping to conclusions. If the problem persists, it is best to contact Oppo support or take your device to a certified technician. Still have issues with your Oppo Reno 5G phone? Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.